Welcome to our brand new YouTube series, Discovering Yourself Through Numerology. Whether you're just curious, a spiritual seeker, or someone looking to align with your true life path, this series is designed just for you. Numerology is the ancient science of numbers, revealing the hidden patterns in your name, birth date, and personal journey. Each number carries vibration, energy, and a message. And guess what? You already have all the clues within you. In this series, we'll walk you through step by step how to calculate and interpret your life path, number expression, and soul urge. Numbers, personality, and birthday numbers, karmic debt and challenge numbers, maturity number, personal year number, and more. All explained with real-life examples like Nelson Mandela and you. So, if you're ready to explore your purpose, unlock your strengths, and decode the blueprint of your soul, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and never miss an episode. And for fun daily insights and quick numerology tips, follow us on TikTok, Tails and Tip. Your numbers are not a coincidence, they are a calling. Are you ready to answer it?